As red-hot cinders and boiling lava spread over the land, often covering entire towns. Some volcanoes erupt under the sea. After a while, when the lava cools, a new island may be formed. Earthquakes often happen in those parts of the world where volcanoes occur. The rock deep beneath the Earth's surface moves, then splits and the cracks appear along a weak point in the Earth's crust. A big earthquake can cause enormous waves in the sea. These huge tidal waves can cause terrible floods. Often many miles inland. So it's time for me to read the rivers. Everyone, this one. The rivers. Rivers begin in mountains or hills as small trickles of rainwater or melting snow. Trickles flow together to form streams, and these join other streams to form a river. The river becomes slower and broader as it winds across the land and reaches the sea at the river's mouth. When a river comes to the edge of a cliff, it plunges down, forming a waterfall. A glacier is a slow-moving river of ice. It creeps down the valley, taking large rocks with it. It melts as it reaches the warmer, lower lands. Now it's time for this one, the Grand Canyon. This has been cut out of the solid rocks by the Colorado River over millions of years. It is up to 1.6 kilometers, 1 mile deep.
Very good.
I'm done, everyone. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe at my channel. Type at YouTube MaceyReads.com.